Hello Dnation and welcome to yet another Christmas special unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing the Harley Davidson 1952K Pearl White, which is a licensed premium 1/18 scale diecast replica manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Welcome to Dnations Christmas Special. Well, as this is a season of love, joy, peace, happiness and cheer, I want to do a giveaway of a couple of premium 1/18 scale Harley Davidson replicas for the next few weeks. So stay tuned till the end of this video to find out how you could get one for Christmas. So moving on with today's episode, the packaging on this one is a licensed Harley Davidson affiliated window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Maisto. So let's take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this open. To begin with, this model is a licensed product of Harley Davidson, and this motorcycle is an amazing diecast replica which looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it, and also has quite a bit of detailing to it as well. This model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes this a premium collectible. This diecast model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width and weighs in at about 130 grams. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension and a lot more, which makes this a premium collectible. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector, hobbyist or even a Harley Davidson enthusiast. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the amazing bodywork and the exteriors of this premium diecast motorcycle. Well, I love the retro styling and the pearl white paint job on this one, and I'm amazed with the attention to detail on this motorcycle, and it gets a massive thumbs up for the exteriors. So now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. And the winner of this week's 1/18 scale Harley Davidson replica will be randomly chosen based on the criteria and announced in the next episode, so stay tuned. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast model. And so with that being said, let's place this amazing motorcycle replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Harley Davidson is an American motorcycle manufacturer founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It was one of the two major American motorcycle manufacturers to survive the Great Depression, along with Indian motorcycles. The brand has become one of the world's largest motorcycle manufacturers and an iconic brand widely known for its loyal following. Harley Davidson is noted for a styling of customization that gave rise to the chopper motorcycle style. The company traditionally marketed heavy-weighted air-cooled cruiser motorcycles with engine displacements greater than 700 cubic centimeters, but it has broadened its offerings to include more contemporary motorcycles in 2002 and middleweight street motorcycles in 2015. And for further information on Harley-Davidson, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And be it the season of Christmas, I'll be giving away a 1/18 scale premium Harley-Davidson motorcycle each week till the end of this Christmas special series. And all you've got to do to get one of these amazing replicas is to subscribe to Dnation, like and share this video, and follow our official Instagram, links in the description below. So hurry and get your Harley now. And I want to take this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. This is much appreciated, and kindly continue to support Dnation and stay tuned for our week 2 Christmas special coming up, where you get another opportunity to win yourself a Harley. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.